Listen and watch. If you're able to go to the ocean, wherever you are on this planet, it's the most amazing thing. It's just incredible. In my mind, it beats a lake any day, or an inland sea. It's just, I've saw it all my life. It's calmed me, excited me. Just perpetual movement, perpetual movement. Thank you for joining me in my airspace. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the ocean. Wherever you live, if you live near an ocean, tell me about your ocean. I first went to the beach probably when I was I don't know, when I was just a little baby. My first year of life, I lived near the ocean for I've lived within a mile of the ocean or 2 miles of the ocean for 9/10 of my life, I guess. Somewhere, mostly in Los Angeles area, the South Bay they call it. Hermosa, Manhattan, Redondo, Torrance, Malibu, El Segundo, Playa del Rey, all of those beaches. San Pedro, Cabrillo Beach, Laguna, Newport, Huntington. Yep, beautiful places. Okay, I love you. Make it a wonderful day. Bye.